How to use Libertex mobile app for trading. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged in. Now look at the bottom section. The first option is Markets, where you can explore all available trading instruments such as Forex, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and commodities. Browse through different markets, check live prices, and select the asset you want to trade. Next is Trades, which shows your active trades, open position, and trading history. Here you can monitor your ongoing trades, close position, or adjust your trading strategy based on market performance. The search feature allows you to quickly find a specific asset, market, or instrument. Simply type the name of the asset or trading pair you are looking for and access its market details immediately. The wallet section lets you manage your account funds. You can deposit or withdraw money, check your account balance, and review transactions to keep your trading funds organized. Finally, under More, you can access additional features such as verification for KYC, inbox for messages, Libertex portfolio to track your holdings, auto account settings, reports to review payment balances and tick prices, notification to stay updated on market alerts, language settings, and support for customer assistance. Now you know how to use Libertex mobile app for trading. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.